Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this device. To get started, I'm going to quickly mention the state of the device so you can clearly see it is locked. It's telling me to verify your account, and if I don't provide anything, it's just going to block me. We also have this lock right here. Now technically this device was locked also using the pattern, but for some reason that didn't actually show up. So it only leaves me with a Google verification for some reason. But in any case, it is locked undeniably. So to get started with the bypass, there's a couple things that we need to prep. So number one, actually the only thing that we'll need to do is connect to Wi-Fi network. And once you have done so, as you can see, I am connected. You can then scroll down and select See All Wi-Fi Networks. Then you want to scroll down again, and we're gonna select the Add New Network. From here, we're gonna tap on the microphone right over here. And when it brings up this window, you wanna deny it. Do it again. So we're gonna select deny and don't ask again. And you can see that it changes into this kind of outline now. Now when you press on it, we can now select allow right here. And this opens up the app info page. Now in here, we will select, let me quickly check. So we're going to be selecting permissions. And we're going to select the search button right here. And we will be searching for settings. Okay, so once you type in settings, scroll all the way down. And you'll have a couple different settings right here, but we're looking for the main one, which is this one right here. Select it and then choose open. Now here we're going to just select no thanks. There we go. Now once it's open, we will now navigate to apps and notifications right over here. Then I'm going to select app info, and we're looking for couple different things. So we're going to start off by looking for Google Play services right over here, and you want to select disable app and force stop and okay. Next we're gonna select, let me quickly check, actually the only thing that we're going to be disabling for some reason. So anyway, once that's disabled, we're going to now hold our power button and we're going to select restart. Now, as you can see, the device boots up, and we now want to check something. So in here, we will progress through the setup. Now, once you see the don't copy option, you're going to back out. And in the Wi-Fi connection page, we're looking for the button right here to set it up offline. If it's visible, that's great. Don't press it just yet. Next, we're going to scroll down and we're going to retrace our steps that we have started off with. So we're going to select See All Networks, and then we're going to scroll down and select Add New Network. I'm going to press on the mic, allow, and I'm going to then select, I believe it was permissions. I'm going to search for settings. And again, swipe all the way down, settings, open, apps and notifications, see all, and find Google Play services right over here and select enable. And now we're going to be backing out. And once we have enabled the Play services, we can now select Setup Offline and continue. Now the reason we didn't want to do that to begin with is because if Play Services isn't enabled and you press this button, it will just not allow us to progress further. With it being enabled, it knows that it connected, it thinks that it's checked and everything is safe, so it allows us to go through the actual setup. So that's why we needed to first enable the Google Play Services. From here we can finish up the setup, and once you finish it up, there is one last thing that we will need to do, which is hard reset the device through settings. Now the reason for that is because even though we have access to our home screen, or we will in a second, the device is still technically locked. But by performing a factory reset of the device through settings, this will force the device to fully unlock itself. So to show this, we're just gonna navigate the settings, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then erase all data, factory reset. Now it is blocking me with 30%. I don't have enough battery to even go through this, but you just press right here, delete all data, and do that once more, and this will then begin factory resetting your device. And this process obviously will take a couple minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, you will be then presented with the setup screen with the device being fully unlocked at that point, so you can go through the setup in whatever way you want to. And with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful and everything went smoothly for you. And if it did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.